Welcome to this tutorial for Trend Micro Home Network Security. In this video, we'll teach you how to extend Home Network Security's parental controls to your children's Android devices. Using the new Trend Micro Guardian app, which you install and pair with your Home Network Security station, you can protect them even if they leave your home network. Before we begin, make sure your Home Network Security station is working and configured properly. You have an active Home Network Security subscription, and you have assigned your child's Android devices to the correct family member profile. To get started, open your Home Network Security app on the device you use to manage your network security. Tap the Command menu icon on the top left corner. The command menu appears. Tap Family. From the Family panel, tap your child's profile. Your child's profile screen appears with the Parental Controls tab selected. Under the Trend Micro Guardian pop-up panel, tap View Devices to begin installation. The Trend Micro Guardian introduction appears with an overview of its features. Tap Setup now. The device screen appears showing the child's devices supported by the Guardian app. Tap the child's Android device where you'll install the app. The Install Trend Micro Guardian screen appears with a QR code to install the Guardian app and a pairing code to pair it with your Home Network Security station. Using your child's device, scan the QR code to get the link to the app or simply search for Trend Micro Guardian on the Google Play Store. On the Google Play Store, install the Trend Micro Guardian app. After the installation, open the Guardian app. The Privacy and Personal Data Collection disclosure screen appears. Read the disclosure. If you agree, check I agree to share user usage data to help improve this app. Tap Accept and Continue. An instructional screen appears describing the internet security it provides for your child. Tap Accept and Continue. A second instructional screen appears describing how mobile devices use the same rules inside and outside the home network. Tap Next. The Pair Now screen appears. Tap Pair Now. The Guardian app will ask for a pairing code. Tap the pairing code displayed in the Home Network Security app on your managing device into the field provided on your child's device. The Pairing Complete screen appears, showing the process of pairing as it checks the settings and pairs. When the pairing process is complete, a screen appears indicating that Guardian needs permission to a specific list of Android settings. Tap Allow Permissions. A pop-up appears indicating that Guardian wants to set up a VPN connection. Tap OK. A hint appears on how to allow the permissions. Tap OK. On the accessibility screen, tap Installed Services. Tap Guardian to enable it. On the Guardian screen, tap the toggle to turn it on. A pop-up appears asking if you want to allow Guardian to have full control of your phone. Tap Allow. Another hint appears to show you how to allow the notification access permissions. Tap OK. On the notification access screen, find and tap the Guardian toggle to turn it on. A pop-up appears asking if you want to allow Guardian to read all your notifications. Tap Allow. Another hint appears to allow display over other apps. Tap OK. On the Appear on Top screen, tap the Allow Permission toggle to turn it on. Another hint appears to activate the Device Admin app. Tap OK. On the Activate Device Admin app screen, tap Activate to activate the phone administrator. This will prevent your child from uninstalling the Guardian app. A pop-up appears indicating that Guardian is ready to manage your child's device. Tap OK. Trend Micro Guardian is now active on your child's device. Congratulations! You have just extended internet safety to your child's Android device. It will protect your child's device even when the child goes outside of your home network. Thank you for using Trend Micro Home Network Security. For more information, go to the following website.